Hey guys, Joe at Dezign here, and today we're going to talk about Black Friday 24 sales, as well as roll out a few new products for you guys. We'll go ahead and kick it off with the right-hand drive ECU mod mount for the Mark IV Supra, obviously successor to the left-hand drive unit that we released about a year and a half ago. This unit is going to have all the same characteristics as the left-hand drive unit. We are going to kick it off with the light version, or light variant if you will. As opposed to when we originally released the left-hand drive version, it was a premium model. For now, we're just going to roll out the lights, see how that goes, and depending on customer requests and needs, we will go ahead and make a premium model. But for now, it seems like the light accommodates most users, so we're going to go ahead and kick that off to keep things cheaper for you guys. We also just released GT-R shield for the R32 chassis. Obviously, it fits the GT-R, also fits the GTS4. We haven't rolled into the other variants yet. We do have plans for the 33 and the 34. We do have plans to make another variant for the 32 to address the issue with dry sumps, other sump designs. We know that oiling is a huge issue in the RB26 power plant, so we do want to be able to accommodate all you guys. Haltech link sales, huge this year. You've probably seen other dealers roll those out. Call us if you need help selecting your ECU. Let us know what you're going to do with your car. We'll gladly fit you up a la carte, if you will, for an ECU and harness, P&P, ancillary items, whatever else you guys need. And we'll walk you through that process gladly. Okay, so yeah, huge sales on all products for Black Friday, especially for the Mark IV Supra stuff. Splash shields have never been on this big of a discount. Be sure to get them, guys, while you can. So I don't foresee us going down this low in price again in anywhere near future. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for supporting our small business. Enjoy.